thank the management and campus director for supporting us for opening of IPR cell. The name of the IPR cell is Center for बौद्धिक संपदा. हमारा जो विजन है इस IPR cell को ओपन करने का is to aware the faculty about the IPR laws and how the faculty and the students can benefit from the patent filing, trademark filing and copyrights. Apart from that, we will also be working on the commercialization of patents. We are already in the process of preparing the prototypes of about 50 patents which have been granted. And to support the patent filing and publications and the grant of the patent, we have a staff of 5 members who will be working for the drafting of the patents and for the commercialization of patents. And we look forward for your support, and everybody who is interested to file a patent or having an idea of deep tech can visit our IPR cell here in campus at CGC Landra.
This is Professor Dr. Dinesh Arora. I would like to tell you about the initiative that has been taken today by the management of CGC and ACIC Rise Association, CGC Landra, in collaboration with Punjab State Council for Science and Technology. So we have inaugurated IPR cell in our campus, CGC Landra, wherein students, faculty members, researchers, startups can take the facility to protect their innovation. They can simply file their patents, trademark and copyright here. They just need to contact us and they can just simply put on their applications on mail ID, IPR applications@cgc.edu.in. The best part of this cell is that this has been initialized by Punjab State Council for Science and Technology, which is the TISC Center of Punjab, that is Technology Innovation Support Center. They have given us the grant of this 50,000 to promote the commercialization also. Herein we will be not only filing the patents, but we will be getting them commercialized. See, I request everyone to just share the ideas, innovations in the form of IDFs to us, so that we can promote the culture of innovation and fostering innovation in our campus.